Let's discuss the properties of homologous series. First property is that all the members of the series can be represented by a general formula. For example, the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. By using this formula, we can write down the molecular formula of any alkane. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n and the general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. For example, I have already explained you, if we want to write down the molecular formula of propane, the value of N or the number of carbon atoms in propane is 3. By putting this value in the general formula of alkanes, I can easily write down the molecular formula that will come out to be 3C3H8A. Next is the difference between two successive members of the homologous series. For example, if you are having two successive members, which are next to each other. First member of alkane series is methane and next to it is ethane. Now the molecular formula of methane is CH4 and the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. There is a difference of one carbon atom and two hydrogen atom between these two compounds. That is why they are different from each other in a unit CH2. And if we talk about the molecular masses, the molecular mass of methane is 16 and that of ethane is 30. Got it? So if we subtract these, we get 14 units. So they will differ from each other in their relative molecular masses by 14 units. Got it? In the same way, all the successive members of any homologous series will differ from each other by 1 unit of CH2 and 14 units in their relative molecular masses. Next is the chemical properties. All the members of one homologous series have same chemical properties because of the presence of same functional group in them. Functional group is actually the atom or the group of atom or the presence of double or triple bond that determines the characteristic properties of that compound. As all the members of a homologous series have one same functional group in them, that is why they will all have same chemical properties. Next is physical properties. There is a regular change in their physical properties. The melting points, boiling point, density all increase gradually with the increase of molecular masses. Why? Because when molecular masses increase, the intermolecular attraction will also increase. That will result in increase of the melting and boiling points. Last characteristic is the methods of preparation. All the members of one homologous series can be prepared by using same methods of preparation. Got it? I hope all these characteristics are clear to you. These are usually asked in long questions, so you may learn this topic as a long question.